Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. Okay, are you ready to complete reading the story, our Kit the Cat story? Okay, Kit the Cat. Kit the Cat. Okay, let's take here. O k s o k suck suck s o k suck suck. Okay. A t a t mat a t mat sock mat. O t p o t p o t p o t pot pot. So we have here in this picture pot, sock, mat. P a t p a t. It will be, let's blend it together. Pot, pot, pot. T a k, tuck. Let's blend it together. T a k, t a k, tuck, tuck, tuck. Look at this mom. She's tucking this girl. Tuck. Okay, let's read it together. Okay, cat naps, naps. Kit naps. N a p o t pot. Kit naps in a pot. Look at Kit. She's having a nap. Kit naps in a pot. Okay. Mom. Mom. P a t s pots. P a t s pots. Kit o n a t mat. Mom pots Kit on a mat. And the other picture, mom, t a k s, tucks, tucks. Mom tucks k t, cat in, n. Mom tucks Kit in. Mom t a k s, tucks k t, cat in. Mom tucks Kit in. And that's it for today, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.